Live, huh? Namaskar, Goenkarando. Happy Seafarers Day to all. Today we are with the GSAI committee. We are very proud that our committee has done so much to the Goan seafarers. So we would like to ask our president, Frank. Frank, GSAI has been celebrating Seafarers Day for the past 10 years. In these 10 years, what message do you want to give? Looking backwards and the recent position of GSAI, what message is there to our seafarers?
For the last 10 years, I want to say is the unity. Because of the unity, we are completing these 10 years on 25th November 2020. So the unity is the main important. There should be no divide and rule for us seafarers and their communities. We must stand firm and let us show unity and support and come together and not individuals. There are a lot of individuals who want to do politics on the seafarers issue. This is not good to divide the community. Let us show our solidarity, support for GSAI. Let's work with GSAI. Today, from all over the world or India, I can say, national level, GSAI is the only association which deals with our state, within our state. And we are very moved forward, I can say, in these 10 years, taking a lot of issues, whether he is a member or a non-member, whether somebody is seafarers death is there on board, GSAI used to their families. So a lot of things we have done to reach to our seafarers. And I tell all the who are not our members of this association to be a part of GSAI. GSAI is not a political party or to gain this political mileage or anything, individuality if you want to do, but to do work for the seafarers community. Thank you.
ओके आमगे सगळे व्ह्यूअर्स आहा इथे तुम चोयताय तेन्ना तुमक जरी तरी डायरेक्ट कितें क्वेश्चन विचारूंक जाय जाल्यार तुम विचारूंक जाता. सेकंड क्वेश्चन डिक्सन तुका. डिक्सन तूं गांवान कावेलोसीचो. तुवें सांगे कावेलोसी येळेचे म्हणाका तुगे गांव म्हणाका जायत काम केलां भुरगें आसतना. जायत जावं सांगताय तुवें येळेचे आनी तुगे गांव जायत काम केलो. मागीर तूं तारवट जालो. मागीर तुवें मदें डिसायड केलें की आपूण एक तारवट सण जायत बरें केलो तुवें सेलिब्रेटींग. तें सण तूं एक एंटरप्रेनर जालो. कित्या एस म्हण तुवें हो स्टेप गेलो आनी तुज्या आदान तुवें आतां जें कितें अचीव केलां तूं भुरग्यांक कितें मॅसेज दिवपाचो दिता. कित्याक आतां यंग भुरगे तारवटी जाल्याय तेंच्या कडेन पयशे आहाय तेंकां कितें डायरेक्शन दिवपाचो दिता तूं.
I will tell in English and also in Konkani. I started my career in the tourism industry, okay, and from there running the shacks, water sports and all related, I moved on to the shipping industry. I worked 20 years for a company only, one company which is Celebrity Cruises, which was 5-star class. So 1996 till 2014. So after completing 20 years at sea, I was very much convinced that it was time to say a day and goodbye to the sea life. But it doesn't mean that I have left completely the seafarers and their activities happening around the world unnoticed. At one point, since I was in the hospitality business in tourism, I started a small eco hotel because it was a time that seafarers, every single seafarers will have to, at least 40% of the seafarers will be quitting after a few years after getting married and to spend a quality time with their family. Today the message for the seafarers, this is a very uncertain time due to coronavirus pandemic. The COVID-19 have really shaken every single seafarer. What will be our next step? What should we do? How we should move ahead in life? Is our job secure? Will our company start hiring us back again? There are a lot of things which they will have to think about. So my message to all the seafarers: sit down with the family, look at your financial position, look at your career, and prepare a future map for the family. Because it's not easy to be in Goa. Goa is a very expensive state, and not all business are doing very well. Therefore, as our Vice President Gabriel earlier said, how he started his own company. Very soon GSAI will come up with a plan when everybody is home, and to give them an opportunity that various things which will be at their disposal, like how to manage their finance, like to start a new business, how to work with the government, how to work our daily living. Even yesterday I have a request from the hospitality industry that they will help the seafarers in farming, agriculture, in hospitality to be on their own. So this message is for the seafarers is plan your future. The time is very serious. Plan how to make your future a very important one by securing everybody.
Thank you. Okay, now the question is for Vice President of Goa Seamen Association, Gabriel, Chief Engineer Gabriel Pinto. I want to ask a question. मध्ये इंग्लिशान आनी कोंकाय न्ही उलयता कित्याक समजोवपा जाय म्हण सगल्यांक. आतां आम सगल्या गोंयकारां खबर आहा पिंटो फॅमिली फ्रॉम वार्का, which is a very famous family for all their good things done to the society, whether it is building, into the fish business, into the catering business. You are the perfect example of how seafarers should grow. What message do you have with your family values? Because finally we all know that if the family is strong, then everything falls in place. So what message do you have?
The strongest weapon of my life, as you said, is my family. A close ties with all of us. We are 6 brothers, 1 sister. Till today, we will always supporting each other in any crisis. When you have the family with you, you can move mountains. Every problem looks very small because you have got so many hands to support you. When it is just 2 hands, they fall short when you are really in crisis. When things go well, everything looks easy. When it goes a little bit away from your normal course, then the panic comes in. Myself, being a seafarer, it was not an easy ride. There were lots of times, huge challenges. Challenges to decide whether I will continue with shipping, resigned earlier during my 15 years days, 3 times because I could not cope up. But finally, God helped me. My another plus point is the presence of God in my life. I don't dissociate my life with God's presence. And I've always understood myself first, and I even told lots of people. Hard work, sincerity, and the presence of God in your life is the most efficient blend of any form of success. Any of these 3 things cannot be removed from this and say, if I don't have God in my life, and if I only put hard work and sincerity, I will succeed. Or if I will have only God and hard work and I'm not sincere. So it is just a perfect blend of all these 3 things. And if we, seafarers, who are by God's grace are exposed to many of these good things, if they come together in their mind, in their heart, first of all with their families, get this bond stronger. And then, no matter what, we should be able to fight any problem. Now coming back to these uncertain times, I always thought to myself, being also a super specialist in risk assessment, I always, even while I was on board, I was always thinking, what if? And this question, I tell many people, ask this question, what if? Not only on board ship when you're working, even in your personal life, this what if should always be there in your life, and the answer should come. What if I lose my job? What about my family then? What if I don't have anything after I lose my job? It's a what if should always be there in everybody's life, and accordingly, planning. I always advise a lot of people, be proactive rather than reactive. When you be reactive, your action becomes of some more importance. Many times also I say, coming back again to this pandemic time, uncertain times, boys are very much concerned whether they will be taken back again on the ship and out. With God's presence in my life, I always told people, when one door closes, there are many doors open for you. Only the thing, it depends upon you which door you take. It needs lots of thinking, lots of dedication, and lots of your inner self. Lots of doors will be opening. It's no point in just jumping into any door that opens for you. So don't worry. Any time in your life, whether it is job or in your personal life, when one door closes, if there is God's presence in your life, there are many doors open for you. This is what has happened to me in every stage of my life. Whenever I was there in a critical situation, and I was, realizing that this is a shut and done case for me, I already had another opportunity standing by my side. I'll just cite one example, sorry for that. I was working for an offshore company in Doha as a chief engineer, technical manager, and also a rig master. I worked for that company for nearly 8 years. And then our company was taken over by another company in the US known as MMER, Mike Muller Energy Equipment Resources. They gave me an offer which was slightly more than the offer I was already getting. But then I told them, no, this is not the offer I want to take, I want more. Then they said, if that is the case, I'm sorry, we cannot hire you. And you will not believe, you'll think it is just a story. When I was talking with this company executive, I had a call on my other phone. So I told my wife to pick up that phone, and she told me it's call from Dubai. And then I told them, no, sorry, I cannot join. I kept the phone, I picked up that phone. Then they told me, sir, we have an opening for you as a commissioning engineer in Indonesia. I said, how did he get my CV? He said, somebody sent your CV to me. Actually, when in the previous company, my electrician, he had sent my CV to our company. They told me, and they gave me a good offer, and I just kept that phone down, picked this phone up, and went to offshore without having any offshore experience. So this is how things work. If you have God's presence in your life, and if you really think that it is, you do your hard work, and then they say you do your best, and God will do the best. Ketnans, आमची फॅक्टरी दुखून जेन्ना पळय आमी फॅक्टरी चालू केल्या तेन्ना सावन we had our fish processing plant. We had only problems. Like first year it was formalin issue, next year mistakes na budget. We went through many challenges, but as I said to you, with the help of God, we were able to ride on smoothly. We were able to ride on smoothly without, I would say, a disaster. I wouldn't say without problem, without disaster. And we fought that war, a challenging war, very nicely, and we are all ready and set for the next upcoming season. We have faced the bottom. So these things come in everybody's life. It's only the thing how you take it. And we are there. We are there, like JSA is there. I am always there. I may not be, even if they want me to be a part of them when they want to start something, or if they want to start something, I can guide them, I can show them the type of opportunities that are there. It is they who should make up their mind what they want in life, because tomorrow if the opportunities arise and if they start something here, they just cannot leave that and go there because it's a hard-earned money, they are investing here, that investment has to be taken forward by someone. So my advice to our seafaring community, especially our lone boys, don't lose heart. Trust in God. Do your best. There is no harm in asking people what is best. There should be no ego. Keep the ego aside. Be frank what you want to do. And there are enough people, good people around who would be coming forward, to guide you, to help you, and even, show you the right direction of the door that are open to identify that which is the right door for you. So don't worry, we are there, GSA is there, and we will always be there to help, to support, to guide in whatever way we can.
Okay, thank you, Gabriel Pinto. Benny, next question तुका आता COVID-19 चलता and seafarer industry is almost down in ashes. Some people, they cannot join back because of the restrictions made by the. So, म्हाका question आहा ते तुकोडे विचारपा आतां आमगेले next generation of seafarers. We cannot say that ships will because 70% of the trade is going on by ships. Next question आमगे next generation. आता नेक्स्ट जनरेशन म्हणटरी लोक नेपोटिजम म्हटल्यार कितें जालां फॉर डेकेड्स सीफेररागे चेडे चडशे सीफेरर जाताय तारवट्यांगे चेड तारवट जाताय दोतरांगे चेड दोतरांनी जाताय इट इज अ ट्रेंड ऑफ लायफ दॅट इज गोईंग ऑन सो आमगे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आहा थोड्यांगे भुरगे 12th आहलोले आनी त्या बोटीचे वचपा आहलोले तेम कितें करपाचें बेनी तुका जाता तेम शूड दे गो अहेड वीथ द सीफेरर करियर or they should look for other opportunities. Kitya jobs ahay, bor jobs matai. But what is your idea? Because you also have children who will grow looking at you. So what is your take on that?
As per your question, my feeling is it is not necessary a seafarer son should be a seafarer. 36 policy is over. If the doctor's son would have been doctor, today there would have been a lot of doctors in Goa. That is not the scenario. I feel the children should go take interest in whatever career they are interested in. Not what their father is interested or their parents are interested in. This is my view. Now, let's take it like this. Any industry has ups and downs. It is not only the shipping industry, not only the seafarers community. It is in all business. Business means risk. And if you can't take risk, you should not take for business. This is straight. If you have that fear of taking risk, business is not for you. And all the people can't do business. There are only some few people who are born to do business. Entrepreneurship is not taught. It should come from the heart. तू सांसवा येते तरी पण आसो जाय जाल्यार तुज्यानी बिजनेस करपाक हांव तारवट जालो 1993 पूण तेदोन हांवें चिंतूंक ना बिजनेस करपाचें आमकां जमीन आहली देवा कृपेन आमकां पयशे आहले तितले आसूं पूण आहले मुगे माम बिजनेसमॅन इन द सेन्स he was business minded person. When I was going on ship, he told me not to go. But I went on ship by accident. My first job was in Rajasthan. I worked in many places. I worked in Hajira. I worked in Uran, ONGC. I worked in Bombay for RCL. It is not that I directly went on ship. But circumstances forced me to go on ship because there was no bread earner in my family. My daddy got retired. And I was not happy with what I was doing. So someone gave me an opportunity. That was Captain Donald Pimenta,
DJ Mari.
DJ. He asked me, somebody introduced me to that company, and he wanted me to go as a mess boy, which I refused. And he asked me, why don't you want to go? There is a job. I told him, no, I'm not interested. If you are sending me in the engine department, I will go. Because I was a technical person. In my life, I have never worked in hospital industry. Not because it is not good, but I have no like. And what is my thinking is, everyone should do what he likes. That's why I first only said, it is not necessary a seafarer son will be a seafarer. That time is not. My encouragement for anybody, not only for seafarer children, but anybody, they should do what they like. And if their parents force them to do what they like, so one day they will be a failure. कित्या भुरग्यां पडकीत मोग आहा ते भुरग्यांक करपाक जाय. मागीर पळय आनी शेजऱ्यां आहा ते करप ना. शेजऱ्यां मनीस सायन्स करून भुरग्यांक सायन्स करपाक जायना. हांवें तुका जाय म्हणपाक दिसता. That is my clear message. I don't want to go very deep into it. This is the
reality. Okay. Question आता फ्रँक आमी GSAI 10 years जाली आनी 10 years एक क्वेश्चन आमी सदां आयकताय. नुसी आसतना आमकां GSAI कित्याक जाय काय म्हणटाय ते. आनी तुका आनी म्हाका देखून खबर आहा, वी हॅव नेवर वर्कड एगेन्स्ट एनी एसोसिएशन. द होल पॉयंट ऑफ अ एसोसिएशन इज पॉझिटिव्हिटी. That what we do always. But every time we get this question, there is some argument about it. And आत देखून नुसीन थोडे points raise करे. We are fully supporting them in whatever they do. So what message do you have for all the Goans who are Nusi members and our members also?
First of all the Goans should know, this association is an association, it's not a union. There's not about the difference. आम्ही हे गावास पयर केल्ले, पूण नुसी आहा ते एक 100 वर्सां गेली. 1896 स्टार्ट केल्ले. 1890 it was not Nusi, it was Goan Seamen Portuguese Club. So आमच्या गोंयकारांनी चालू केलो तो. So थिंगसो तांकां ती 100 years जायत गेली. From that start, so आमगे पयसाच्या कारवडी भावांनी थेट चिंतूंक जाय आमी एसोसिएशन घोडा ते नुसीको देखून फायट करपाक फाल्यां ओजा एमए खंयचे युनियना कडेन जेन्ना तुगेलें कसलें काम आहा बाबा नुसी कोना तुम कडेन आमगे मेंबर मदरे हाडे आमच्या देखून विचारपाक जाता बाबा वाय यू आर ट्रॅव्हलिंग हिम वो ते कंपनीको विचारपाक जाता आमगे कित्याक गोंयकार म्हणून मेसेज only for Goans to be the member. So आमी तेंका विचारपाक कंपनीको विचारपाक जाता कित्याक गोंयकार म्हणून आनी आमकां कसलें डिस्क्रिमिनेशन केलो एसोसिएशनान. Whether you are a captain from the lower post to the higher post, you can be part of JSAI. आनी आम एक कोट दाखोवपाक गेला. आज आमी आमगे गोवन सिमेंट एसोसिएशन आनी आउट ऑफ गोवा देखून आमी जाय जाण हेल्प केले, जाय जाण इश्यू रेज केले. कितले कॅप्टन सुनील जेम्स म्हणा वयर काडी मे आनेकटो पळय तो चायना फॅमिली आमगे पळय जालो कित्याक वी आर डुईंग गुड वर्क विथ ट्रान्सपेरन्सी. काय ना आज जाय दुनिया एवरी इयर वी हॅव टू पे मनी. आज JSAI कितें तूं एकू पाट मेंबर जाव. फॉर वर्किंग सीफेयर्स इट इज 3000. जे कोण नॉन वर्किंग सीफेयर्स आहाय ते जे तारोटी आजून 60 years जाले पूण तेणे कसले सर्कमस्टन्स लागून तेणी तेंगे जॉब सोडले आनी ते आहाय तेंका $1000. आमगे रिटायर्ड सीफेयर्स आहाय तेंका आमी ₹100 दिले लायफ टायम. तशेंच बिडो आहाय तेंका आमी फ्री मेंबरशीप दवरल्या. सो हे भाशेन आमी एकवट केला आमगे तारोटी भावा गेलो आनी आज तारोट्या लागून जाय जाण आपणा इंडिविज्युअल कलर आर्ट डेजिग्नेशन हिंग दाखयताय आनी जाय ते हेल्प कोताय आमगे गोंयकारांक आनी जाय ते आमगे कम्युनिटी भितर तारोट्यांनी जावं व्हडलो पोस्ट आयली जाय जाण भुरग्यांक भोटिचेरी घायले सो आमल्या लोकांक बेनिफीट जाला आनी आमच्यान देखून जाय ते आमगे कम्युनिटी भितर जायते आमी बिझनेस चालू केले कसले एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप चालू केले विदीन आर कम्युनिटी आमच्या भितरल्या भुरग्यांक गोंयकारांक जॉब क्रिएट करपाक जाय जायत भाशेन हेल्प करपाक जाता आमच्यांनी बिकॉज गोवा सगळे कनेक्टिविटी आहा जावं सीवेज एअरवेज रोड गोवा इज ब्लेस्ड विथ ऑल दीस थिंग्स देर आर लॉट ऑफ ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज इन गोवा बट वी हॅव टू टेक दीस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज कळ्ळें आनी आमगे तारोट्यान हें करपाक जाय कित्याक आमगे सेवींग आमी सांबाळपाक जाय आज पयस मोडपाक व्हेरी इजी कळ्ळें सो त्या लागून आमी बरे भाशेन सगळे एकवटान आमी तारोटी काय वायट वस्तू आशिल्ली कोणा जेलसी म्हळ्यार ती काण उडोवपाक जाय इगो म्हळ्यार ते प्रायड ते काण उडोवपाक जाय अरे कवळे पूण आपण करूं सोदिता आपण एसोसिएशन करतलो आनी कितें करतलो असो सगळे सगळे जेएसए हाडले जेएसए कमिटी आहा इट्स नॉट परमनंट कम्युनिटी आजून दुसरी एसोसिएशन इंडियन चल्ले आसतले 100 वर्सांनी कोणा ते जास्त आज आमगे एक प्रेसिडेंट आता तेका 6 इयर्स सुट्टा वा 3 इयर्स आनी मागीर 3 इयर्स तेच्या नंतर परतून जावपाक जायना सो मुखार सरपाक जाय आनी येवपाक जाय एसोसिएशनान आनी मागीर उलोवपाक जाय एसोसिएशनान रावन उबो रावन दिसते भायले उलयले कितें उलयले सोशल मिडियाचेर उलयले विदाउट नॉलेज उलोवपाक शिकपाक सो आय अर्ज एवरी तारोडी बाब बरे भाशेन मोगान मेंबर जावपाक जाय मोग
We call all Goan seafarers to be our members. Dixon, आता तुका question. हय रे question. आता seafarers into politics. Seafarers into politics is a very big thing. जायत जाम म्हणटाय कोण बोवाड कोत म्हण पॉलिटिक्सां बसून सोदिता. Constitutionally, anybody can sit into politics. That is our constitution. Everybody has the right to sit into politics. कोणाकू रायट हा तो गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियान सगळ्या रायट ओपन दवरला सो एक सीफेरर एक प्लॅटफॉर्माचे हेल्प करूं मुखार चलो ताका जायत जाण टॉंट माताय हे पॉलिटिक्सां लावंक कोताय पॉलिटिक्सां लावंक कोताय फ्रँकली तुका हिंचात म्हळ्यार विदाउट पॉलिटिक्स यू कॅनॉट सॉल्व एनी प्रॉब्लम सारकें न्हू विदाउट पॉलिटिक्स आतां सीफेरर इंटू पॉलिटिक्स तुगे कितें मॅसेज आहा सीफेरर इंटू पॉलिटिक्स आमकां हेज्या मुखार जायो एक फेसू आउट ऑफ 40 मेंबर्स शूड दे एटलिस्ट बी वन सीफेरर एक सीफेरर आहा म्हळ्यार इजी सपोर्टींग अस जाय तेन्ना तारवटी नाक तेन्ना तारवटी तेश कोनू काय आमगे एक परमनंट वॉयस आसूं जायो इन द 40 तूं कितें म्हणटा हेजेर
2010 हांव आनी फ्रेंड दोगांय आमी कॉलेजमेट आनी जेन्ना आमी चिंतले एक ऑर्गनायजेशन करपाक म्हूण गोवन सिमेंट एसोसिएशन आमी हें घडलें तेन्ना आमकां दिसलेलें जे मुंगेलो पांय एक तारोटी हांव 1.5 वर्सां आसतना भायर पडलो आनी मुगेले मागीर ते 200 रुपया मेळटाले ते 200 रुपया लागून ते इतले इम्पॉर्टंट आसलेले आमकां फॅमिली ऑफ 8 आपणे कितें आमी कॉलेजाक वता कितें बरें आहा हें चिंतून आमी ऑर्गनायजेशन स्टार्ट केलें आनी जेन्ना आमी पयलो इशू घेतलो टू हॅव 200 रुपीज इनक्रीज टू एटलिस्ट 2000 कित्याक 200 रुपया मेळटाले 1976 74 आनी आयकोन म्हणलें कित्याक चोडलें सो तो इशू आमी पयलो घेतलो ऑर्गनायजेशन करून तेन्ना आमकां एक रिटायर सीफरर्स पेन्शन म्हूण कोत्ता म्हूण आमकां लेट पारीकारान सांगलें आनी तेन्ना आमकां गोवमान आयलें की जें आमचें ऑर्गनायजेशन आहा तें आमचें ऑर्गनायजेशन वी आर नॉट युनियन आमकां कंपनीन सांगलें आमगे आयकून ना म्हूण पळय आमी गोवोरमेंटा बराबर काम करता आनी तेका लागून जें पेन्शन स्टार्ट केलें तेन्ना म्हाका अजून उगड आसा आयज ती सीफरर्स पेन्शन स्कीम सदांच उरली पूण आयज ती जायत्या लोकांक बऱ्या कमिंग टू ए क्वेश्चन seafarers and politics, it is part of it. कित्याक आमी आतां हे पॅन्डेमिका लागून आमी तुगेले गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आमी चर्चा केली झगडले आमी भितर तितून पडले पूण आयज तरी आमी हें करूंक पडटा जाल्यार गोवोरमेंटान करूंक पडटा आनी जेन्ना आमचो तारोडी कोणीय तरी पॉलिटिशियन जालो ताका फूल फ्लॅज जे आमचे बेळ्ळी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी बेळावली कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी नुवें कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी कोंकवळी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी जावं सातिस्देव आमचे भुरगे आहा ते पळय आमचे कालांगूट आहा प्रेजन्स आमचे सगळ्याक आहा आयज ते तारोडेन प्रॉब्लेम म्हाका आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा जरी तर गेले जाल्यार आनी आमी तरी पॉलिटिक्सान भितर सरले जाल्यार आमचो कोणूय ते आमकां सोंपें जातलें आमकां झगडावंक पडपा नाका म्हजें आतां हांव एश्योर दिवपाक सोदतां इफ आय एम अ पार्ट ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट आय एश्योर दॅट most of the things where seafarers they are apprehension, they are some kind of wishes की आमी पुराय करपाक जाय म्हणजे कितें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आमचे जाणटेले पेन्शनचे बंद पडला फ्रॉम नोव्हेंबर ऑक्टोबर तें चालू करपाक जाय तें सुबेश केल्लें आहा पास जाल्लें संडेक 5,000 तें करपाक जाय दुसरें म्हणल्यार मेडिकल बेनिफीट जी सरकारान करूंक शकता पूण आमी तितून ते कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट करपाक जाय आमी तर कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट करूनय सरकाराक मागपाक जायना सो आमगे विजन तें आहा इफ वी आर एवर इनटू पॉलिटिक्स टू सेक्यूर द सीफेरर फॅमिलीज फर्स्ट लायक अ इन्शुरन्स पॉलिसी जावं एनी टायप ऑफ मेडिकल आतां पळय कंपनी म्हणटा तूं घरा भायर पडलो वेन यू आर नॉट वर्किंग फॉर नॅचरल डेथ यू डोंट गेट एनीथींग मच इफ यू आर जेन्ना आमी इतल्या वर्सां काम करून आमी 60,000 रुपया आमकां कितें मेळटा कांय ना पूण आमी विचारताय गोवोरमेंट आमकां कितें हेल्प करता पूण आमी गोवोरमेंटाक दिवपाक जाय कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट करपाक जाय आमी जाणा आमी इकॉनॉमी कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट करताय आमी जाणा आमी बँकान आमगे पयशे घालून बँकां बरी आहाय जावं आमचे फायनान्शियल इन्स्टिट्यूट आहाय तितून आमी पयशे घालून वी आर सपोर्टींग देम बट बेनिफीट आमकां सगळ्यांक मेळना कोण इन्वेस्ट करता ताका मेळटा सो माय मेन इज टू वर्क विथ द गव्हर्मेंट to have a seafarers kind of fund so that seafarers community in times of difficulty, in accident, loss of life at sea or even at home or their retirement life should be secure. So that's why we need to have the political help. ताका लागून आमी गोवोरमेंटाक परतून वचपाक पडटा आनी जेन्ना परतून वचपाक पडटा तेन्ना बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट दिस इज द रिजन
आनी कितें उलया
अरे
ना कोणा लिहिलं नाही
राम राव
चीफ इंजिनियर गॅब्रियल डिक्सनान आतां म्हणला की पॉलिटिक्स अँड सीफेरर्स इज अ both hands. So we have to go to the politicians to achieve something. तेणें सारकें हें केलां म्हणल्यार पोतून हांव सेम क्वेश्चन तुका विचारूंक सोदितां एक सीफेररा एक पॉलिटिकल प्लॅटफॉर्म इज इट कॅन ही अचीव द थिंग्स दॅट ही हॅज अचीव्ड ऑन द शिप ऑन अ पॉलिटिकल प्लॅटफॉर्म
100% yes. But the thing is, when you get into politics, your seafarer or whatever is your background is always used by the people as a tool for them to boost themselves. But if a person, whether he is a seafarer or anybody, if he has the right mind to do good things for the people, he will definitely do the justice for whatever problems people are facing. It will be one small sort of a corner, like being a seafarer. That okay, these are the seafarers, their problem is that I will attend it. But it is not that because somebody says, suppose tomorrow me, I may also have a desire to do something. There's a difference. You need to have the desire to do something. It's just not because you are a seafarer, I can speak well, I can talk well, I can look like I'm doing work, but that's not important. Many a times we do things to show that we are working, but once it is done, we forget that we are seafarers. So I really don't feel that somebody should go forward with that tag as a seafarer. You should go forward as a person who is capable and has got the desire to work for the people. Doesn't matter, because having a tag as a seafarer, you are not going to achieve anything more than what a person with a right mind, right intention and a clear heart, and as I said once again, that God's love is there, then you can be a super person to represent the people. For me, politics, what other people are saying is completely different. For me, politics is what? Identifying the concerns of the people of the constituency. Politics is getting this concern represented in the assembly. And you fight for this concern for the people that it is your, the elected representative duty to convince the government that these concerns are right and they should be addressed and resolved. So if a person has got that sort of a capability, an intention, and sort of a scope to identify the concerns of not an individual, or the community or the village or whatever, those are the people should be really going forward. Because I feel, being a seafarer, using the sentiments of the seafarer and taking their sort of a support, what I would say is, like saying that, okay, I'm a seafarer, so you are a seafarer, you should vote for me. I really don't believe that, because it is not going to help in a long run if the person who is representing is having completely a different mindset. So my message in this is, no matter what, whether you are a seafarer who wants to represent you or is a non-seafarer, being a seafarer, I am saying it because tomorrow I may also come in. Even then, please do not vote for me if I come in because I am a seafarer. Vote for me because if you think that I am capable, I have got the knowledge, I have got the capacity, I have got the understanding of the whole constituency and the concern, vote for that person.
Thank you. Benny, तुका question. Retired seafarers, तू जाणा गोवन सीमेन असोसिएशना गेले बॅकबोन म्हणटाय तें रिटायर्ड सीफेरर्स फ्रॉम डे वन. आमकां रिटायर्ड सीफेरर्स चड मेंबर आहाय आज देखून. आनी केन्ना कितें जालें जाल्यार ते येताय. कितें आमकां काम पडलें, आमगेले मिटींग जाल्यो, मिटिंगे प्रिपेर करपा, मीस जाली, मीस प्रिपेर करपा, डान्स जाले, डान्स प्रिपेर करपा. द अमावंट ऑफ रिटायर्ड सीमेन्स दॅट कम इन इज मोर. सो एक रिटायर्ड सीमेनान कित मॅसेज दिवपाचो दित तूं आमगे गोंयकार रिटायर्ड सीमेन आहाय ते आयज दिसा?
रिटायर्ड सीमेन म्हणल्यार आमगे बॅकबोन ओ आमगे टार्गेट न्हू ते बाळे मोगान मेंबर जाले. आतां वर्किंग सीमेन आहाय ते जाल्ले जातले हे मुखार. सो मुगे मॅसेज म्हूण स्पेशल कांय ना रिटायर्ड सीमेना. रिटायर्ड सीमेना लागून आमी बोलना आनी मुखार जातले. आम ते बाळे येनाय ओ ते म्हणून ते बंद करपा न्हय, पूण तेंगेले इश्यू जायते आहाय. हेल्थ इश्यू आहा, तेंकां सद्या मेडिकल फॅसिलिटीज बंद जाले. सो ते आमी ट्राय करतले करपाक, प्रेशरायज करून गव्हर्मेंटाक. कित्याक दुसरी कोण ट्राय केले पेन्शनीक्स म्हणटो ते फीस प्रॉब्लम ते आमी बेसीक घालपाक जाय आमी घातले. पूण द मेन कन्सर्न इज नॉट अबाउट द पास्ट, इट इज अबाउट द फ्युचर. आतां आमगे भुरगे आहाय, that is our concern, should be our concern, not only retired seamen. Because आतां आमगे रिटायर्ड सीमेन आहाय तेंगे मागीर सुद्दां चड जाणांगे अशे भुरगे आमी सद्या काम करता. सो आमी तेंका सपोर्ट केलो in this pandemic situation. We have them, we guide them to do something out there. Tenge buy for that if he is good health, he can take care of the business or whatever they start. So ultimately it is the motivation for the retired, and in future it will be a help for the future. शिपिंग म्हणते वयर सकयल
जाताच.
हांव काबार आसतना तेन्ना शिपिंग डावन जाल्लें, हांव एंटर जातलो ना 93 पूण कितें जालें स्लो टायम वयता वयता पिकअप जालें आनी हांव बरें जालें. सडनली चुकून झिरो जालें. सो वी हॅव टू बी रेडी. एज आय सेड बिफोर, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू डू बिजनेस देर इज अ रिस्क, and a person who can't face the risk and who doesn't know what is risk cannot do business. So life on something like business no. Life is a risk. आज जाल्यार प्रॉब्लम आसा आज जायना जाल्यार प्रॉब्लम आसा सो तें चिंतप न्हू यू हॅव टू गो ऑन यू शूड बिलीव इन वॉट यू आर तुका पयलीं तुजेर विश्वास आसपाक जाय की हांव कितें करतो न्हू कारवार वयतो न्हू कारवार सगळ्यांच्यान वचों जायना
सारकें इट्स अ व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट
very
प्रोफेशन
difficult. You have to be mentally strong. So life is like that.
ओके क्वेश्चन काय येयलें न्हय लायफ क्वेश्चना तुमकां आनी कितें अचीव करूं जाय
Nothing.
नथींग
Thank you, seafarers.
Thank you.
थँक्यू सिगारस
Happy Seafarers Day.